Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make easy enchilada sauce. First, gather your ingredients: 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of flour, 2 cups of chicken broth, and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. These simple items are likely already in your pantry, making this recipe incredibly convenient and quick to start. We'll combine them to create a rich, flavorful sauce that elevates any enchilada dish. To begin, you'll need 2 tablespoons of good quality chili powder, which forms the base of our flavor. Next, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour will help thicken the sauce. For the liquid, 2 cups of chicken broth provide a savory foundation. Finally, a small amount, about 1/4 teaspoon, of ground cumin adds that authentic, earthy note we love in enchilada sauce. Start by whisking together the chili powder and flour in a saucepan over medium heat for about 1 minute. This toasts the spices and flour, enhancing their flavor. Gradually pour in the 2 cups of chicken broth, stirring constantly to prevent lumps. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes, or until it thickens slightly. Finish by seasoning with salt and pepper to taste. For a spicier sauce, feel free to increase the amount of chili powder or add a pinch of cayenne pepper. A small addition of dried oregano, about 1/4 teaspoon, can also add wonderful depth. If you prefer a vegan option, simply substitute chicken broth with vegetable broth. This homemade sauce stores beautifully in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, ready for your next enchilada night.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.